Sustainability development is widely used in these days by the policymakers, academia, and governments in all areas, including developmental projects and in many verticals. Sustainability is not only spoken in various levels but also practiced by industries, organizations, and educational institutes to optimize their resource utilization and make them environmental friendly. As environmental sustainability is becoming an increasingly important issue for the nation, the role of higher educational institutes in relation to the environmental sustainability is more prevalent. Hence, sustainability is the need of ours for our country to provide our future generation a cleaner, safer environment. To achieve it, there are many paths. One should be able to identify the best path related to their educational organization to achieve sustainability. Various models and tools are already developed by researchers working in this domain, which helps them to identify the focus areas where the optimization is possible to improve the environmental performance of the educational institutes. Education is one of the key solutions for this situation. Sustainability had become the key word for a developing nation, and it's evident in many issues the growing economy is facing nowadays. Ecology is being associated with the growth of any industry and organization. A nation's growth starts from its educational institutes where the ecology is thought as a prime factor for developmental issues associated with the environment. Educational institutes nowadays are becoming more sensitive to environmental factors and more concepts are being introduced to make them eco-friendly. We endeavor to set benchmarks for quality education. Our management envisioned itself with responsibility towards making this world a better place. College is a center for generating education. Moreover, it is also a research place where the institute's students and teachers are attempting to develop the best strategy for achieving their purposes. Due to this reason, the development of Eco Campus has been pointed out and established recently. Eco Campus concept mainly focuses on efficient use of energy and water, minimize waste generation or pollution, and also economic efficiency. All these indicators are assessed in process of green auditing of educational institute. Eco Campus focuses on the mitigation and offsetting of educational institute contribution for emission of green policy procedure, a cost effective, secure supply of energy, encourage enhanced staff and student energy issues. Also promotes personal action, reduce the institute energy and water consumption, reduce wastage to landfill, and integrate environmental consideration into all contracts and services considered to have significant environmental impact. While these issues measures are promoted synthetically and systematically, an environmental management system is introduced in order to realize certainly the eco campus. To preserve the environment within the campus, various viewpoints are applied by the several educational institutes to solve their environmental problems such as promotion of the energy saving, recycle of water pollution, recycle of waste, etc. Educational institutes play an effective role in creating and modeling solutions for such environmental problems. Green audit is one such concept or principle introduced to make the educational institute environmentally sustainable. Our college has implemented eco-friendly practices to manage the available resources and has taken steps in environmental conservation and protection. As a part of such practice, integrated green and energy audit is conducted to evaluate the actual scenario on the campus. To determine the baseline, our experts of Green Audit Committee 2017-18, 2018-19 and 2019-20 made a keen survey of Kamla Nehru Mahavidyalaya Nagpur campus in which these experts identify and determine whether institutional practices are eco-friendly and sustainable. I am very happy to forward this green audit report which integrates 3 years data to develop a concrete baseline for us. I must congratulate Green Audit Committee and his team for taking efforts for the completion of such brief report. We as an institute are committed to grow more and more responsible and sustainable. I hope the report will be helpful to all concerned in Kamla Nehru Mahavidyalaya Nagpur campus. Our peers will motivate for greening our educational institutions. Thank you very much.